Anybody who comes here comes essentially for one of two things, either bikes or coffee. G'day, Aaron from Fusion Peak. Today we're going to be building a custom titanium bike for a client. He couldn't be here for the build, so I thought it'd be fun to film it for him. So Mike, here's your bike. I hope you enjoy watching it getting put together. So this is like the brain surgery of the build, right? So you're putting the guts, the cables, the wiring, the nervous system kind of in. You can't take back them. When you're doing a bike fit, you're just trying to solve problems. No. So this is part of the wiring harness here. So this one's gonna come up through the frame this way, and then one's out to the derailleur, and then one's up to the battery. All see, but they all see is you need help. That's the bottom bracket. Oh. Okay, so we've got a problem. If you look in here, see the cables getting pushed by the bottom bracket? The brake cable, the brake hose is gonna get pinched. So we've got to take out some of that material in the bottom bracket shell. So the shell's like this. It's got quite a long tube here that I'm happy just to remove.
So yeah, wiggle room.
Wiggle room.
Perfect.
Sweet.
Tracks. Spend all your days running away. You gotta watch your back, and that's the facts.
Put grease around the base.
Scheming and trying to get over. Got you wondering why you come around. All you get is cold shoulder. Yeah.
You have to go through the handlebar first. So this way we're gonna go through the handlebar and then down. So for the third time, the bottom bracket comes out.
So hoping that one day.
Now we can hook this up to here. That'll pull through. That'll be that shifter. That'll plug in there. Then this shifter will plug into there, and the Di2 junction system will plug into there. Done. Management and things like that. So we finished the build. Here's the bike all ready to be fitted. It's one of the really special things about getting a custom bike done is not only do we get everything spec'd out beforehand, but we also get you back in to make sure that all the details are exactly how they should be and fitted up really well. So bike's all ready for Mike to come in tomorrow and fit it up. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching getting this all built up. It was a lot of fun doing it, and yeah, it's about 4 months in the making now. So thanks for the patience, mate.